Hello all. Today's video we are going to see about how to use Fresh Mist Booster Mask from Garnier. There are so many things like L'Oreal and many of this provide such mask where you have to mix the sheet with serum. But I'm using Garnier, so now I'm using Garnier. This video I'm going to show you with the help of Garnier. And here you have to mix your serum with your sheet. I will explain you in the video. I will show you a demo. You can follow from that. And talking about this, yes, obviously there are so much negativity in this product, to be sure, and it's not in the quality of the product and also not in the quantity of the product, but the negativity is with the packaging of the product. So I found it really hard to mix it with the sheet, and the sheet didn't work properly. I will explain you during the demo, you can understand. But the quality and also the quantity is very much high. I even preserved this serum and I used it for 1 week. I preserved it in a bottle and I used it for 1 week. Obviously it has a good quality, it did wonders to my face, but the sheet, it didn't work out well. I would prefer normal sheet mask than this mixing sheet mask. But if you have bought one, but for to preserve the serums and to use, and also we can't be calm, we have to give a try on every product available in the market. Yes, so most of the ladies are like that. I'm like that. So if you are also interested and want to give your hand trying this sheet, obviously you can try from my demo. Also you can get how to use it and you can use it. Obviously there will be result for your face because the quality is perfect. And yes, it did wonders, and I used it for 1 week. After that also I used the serum as vitamin C serum. Instead of buying in separate bottle, I used it. Yes, it worked out very well. So you can see my face. I didn't get any after effect any wrong after effects after using this. Okay, now let's get into the demo. So now I have took the packet. Now turn the packet inwards. There will be dotted lines provided at the back of the packet and given fold here as 1 and fold here as 2. So turn the second side again. Now press the bottle shaped serum side. Hope you would have captured the sound of the serum splashing over from the packet. It's visible. The serum has toned up and it's now mixing with the sheet mask. Now help the serum to get well dispersed into the sheet by moving the packet that side. You could see the water. Give some time for the serum to spread through well. Don't be in a hurry and tear up and use the sheet. Please shake well and give some time for the serum. See the pictures of the sheet getting very much dipped into the serum. So this is it. Earlier the packet was like this. The sheet was not drenched. Hope you got the difference. So the serum is now settled well with the sheet. So I'm tearing up and using the sheet. Take it very carefully or else it will tear apart. You can find so much excess serum inside the packet. This is a positivity or advantage of this type of sheet mask, where you get more serum left over. It's not like a normal sheet mask where you get little bit of leftovers. So I'm just preserving the leftover in a container. So in a bottle I'm doing that, so that I can use it for 1 or 2 weeks, as I mentioned earlier. Make sure you preserve only after making the mask very well drenched. Only leftovers you should preserve. Don't make the mask improperly drenched and then preserve. That would be of useless of using this mask sheet. Why vitamin C is, it helps skin in resolving from problems like sunburn, photoaging, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, sagging, dryness and uneven skin tone. So people having some issues with the skin can try vitamin C serum.
1, 2, 3, come on!
This was the disadvantage of this sheet mask. It's too long, it's not fitting the face exactly. The designing of the sheet is not apt. They have to look over this and they have to rectify this problem. The whole sheet masking time was disturbed because of the fitment issue.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Baby. shake it, baby.
சபா இப்பவே கண்ணை கட்டுது.
Oh no!
Okay then, to be updated, ladies, please follow the updated sheet. Bye.